Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Hey, today's adventure involves the Tiniover Creek Pro. Now, Tiniover sent this to us, and it may be a little familiar to you, right? You've probably seen this before. We've had it on the channel for a little while now. Thanks to Tiniover for sending it to us. What are you doing? You're interrupting my video. So quick specs here. We got 18-inch tires, we got a 20 amp hour battery, 750 watt motor, rear differential. It comes with a passenger configuration, so you can have a passenger seat here. What we did, we have the optional cargo package on here, which has got this big platform piece sitting back here, so you can put like large boxes. I mean, you can put a couple of crates back here if you needed to, or a huge box or huge basket or something. If you're gonna do a lot of shopping at the grocery store, at the hardware store or something, plenty of opportunity to do something with that. What we're gonna do today is, we're actually gonna use it as a tow vehicle, because I gotta move a trike down to my buddy Ron's house, put it in storage in his garage, because our garage is super full. We got another bike showing up today, and I got to make some space for it. So yeah, we're going to take it down there. So let's get loading this other trike. Now, we won't say the name brand of this trike, but you'll see what it is. It's not broke. I just need to get it down there to Ron's house. And I'm thinking, what better way to do it than to use the Tiniover? So we'll just pop it up here like that and secure the tire. Got a handy dandy little strap right here. You'll find this in our Amazon store because these things are great. Get a close-up shot of this thing. Look, it's got this great little cam buckle on here. Real simple to use. You just feed it through the back side like that. It tightens up, and it's not coming undone. Simple. Go check it out at my Amazon store. You'll find them out there. But we're gonna just feed this through the tire, go around the cargo rack, and feed it through the back side of the buckle. Tighten it down, like that. That bugger ain't going nowhere. Now, we're gonna get rid of the excess so it doesn't end up around the chain or the axle. But that's it. It's gonna wiggle. It's gonna sound horrible. It's gonna get us to Ron's house. Let's get going. All right, safely made it to Ron's house, and he is here. Lucky us. I figured that might be what it is. Hey, do you mind if we store this in your garage? We got another bike showing up today.
You do?
Yeah, we're making a video also, so wave hi to the people.
Hi. One way to bring it up. I'd come down. I was just getting ready to come down.
Nah, we wanted to bring it up because we thought, you know what, it'd make a fun video.
Yeah.
Appreciate you storing that for us. Hey guys, see how easy it is to use the Tiniover trike? I tell you what, a lot of capability with that trike. Passengers, cargo, towing capacity, up to 550 pounds. So if you're interested, go check it out. You can have a lot of fun with it, just like we were having a lot of fun with it today. Guys, that's going to be it for this short video. Give us a like, comment down below. We'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.